Good day, traders. How y'all doing today? We had a big candle down today. It would ruin the fucking charts, like always. Anyway, I first want to say I am so sorry. I I shot the video. I don't know. I went outside, I went outside somewhere. Got a few things. Come back. Guess what? Forgot to render the video. Forgot to upload it to YouTube. And that's why you didn't see the video till late last night. I'm sorry about that. Didn't mean to. I want to show you some interesting stuff that I got from other streams. Let me see. Can I minimize it? Yes. Oh, look, I'm showing my whole desktop. Now, you guys all know what my moving averages look like, right? What does this look like? Like, I got nothing against this trader. He's a nice guy. He's a good guy. I disagree with a lot of things that he does, how he trades, but hey, who am I to say, right? Everybody trades, different, right? Some trade ICT, some trade support and resistance, some trade off the pivots, some people trade with moving averages. And I remember doing this myself a long, long time ago. And it just proves, that you have these far out moving averages. They're not going to help you. They're going to distract you. They're going to stop you from making money. They're probably going to cause you to lose money. You know what I mean? But anyway, this is what they look like. I call this spider web. See over here? Spider webs. I'm sorry, I could not trade with my chart looking like this. But nothing against this guy, okay? Nothing against this guy. Okay, let me see if I can find the other picture, which is really cool. Where is it? It's right here. Check this out, man. In 1907, see that? The wheat pit of the Chicago Board of Trade. That's like 118 years ago or something. Look at all the different levels here. They poured this concrete circle, right? I wonder if the ones that were up top, which they could scream out their orders, hey, buddy, sell 3 wheat, or whatever. I wonder if they paid for these locations on the circle, you know what I mean? And the ones, that pay less money would be on the inner circle. I don't know, maybe the inner circle you pay more money and less money on the outer circle of the pit. Pretty cool though, eh? I think it's pretty cool. That's how long trading's been going on. Long, long time with the Chinese people, actually. They used to trade, I don't know, candlesticks. That's where the candlesticks come from. But yeah, trading's been going on a long time, and we really do need to trade to move the product, right? Companies who commit to buying so much wheat or buying so much corn or buying so much gold, silver, all the commodities, sugar, coffee, you name it. Anyway, pretty cool picture. I got this picture from Top Step. Top Step posted this picture on their live stream that one day, and I just happened to see it, and I went, oh shit, I gotta rewind this video and stop it and take a picture. So there it is. Anyway, let's get to the setups now. Okay, what do I want to look at? Let's see. Oh, it's going back up now again. Okay, we'll look at oh, look at that. we'll look at the, what the fuck is that? You know, the MNQ. Okay. So they slapped it down, and there was people who knew to get short before it started because they knew they were told inside information, and they hammered it down, and those people made thousands upon thousands of dollars today. Yep, you betcha. So anyway, and then it basically, you know, bottomed out down here, and then I guess you could say there was, I don't know. It looks kind of strange to me, but no. This is the one we go like this and then down. Yeah, there's no divergence there, but there is divergence up here. Okay, so we'll look at that. Actually, there is divergence here. I didn't see it. Lower lows right here. And right here. But who would want to do anything after this huge fucking move down, right? So that's what puts the fear into people. You know what I mean? That's the way she go. So you would have got long in here, and it went up. And then you would have got short up here, and it went down. I didn't trade any of this. I traded this here, kept going up and going up, and I kept buying. I bought about I bought about by. You ever been to see Billy? No, but I've been blown ashore by. I'm talking like a fucking Newfie from Newfoundland, Canada. Yes. Okay. Anyway. Holy fuck. Too funny. So anyway, yeah, we went up here and then we sold off. And what do we have down here? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Probably more divergence. You just can't help it, you know. More divergence. You know, draw it on the chart first. Boom. And then we draw it on the indicator of choice right there. Then we get ourselves an arrow, and yes, we were a buyer. I wish I would have done this trade. This one's good. But I stopped, man. The last trade I took, I told you I bought about six times on the way up. I suffered some drawdown here. Where did I buy again? Oh yeah, right on the top of this wick I bought. You know, trying to get some more points up to the S1 level. Well, it didn't do that. It came down, freaked me out. I didn't get out. Then boom, I clicked right out of it at S1, which is the, I believe it's the, yeah, it's the 700 level right here. So anyway, I got out right at the 700 level, and I never did any more trades after. Oh no, I traded some gold after that, but very small, low risk. Anyway, here's the trades of today. As you can see, nice trades, beautiful divergence trades. Yes. I just want to show you gold today also. Why not, eh? Why not? Okay. I think we got it. Okay. Anyway, this line up here, I put it up here like before this long run up, because it was the top of the, here, I'll just show you. It was the top of that high. Oh, I thought I brought it to this, to the high of the day right here, but I didn't. But you see how they bring price almost right back to here, like a few ticks few ticks from it, the motherfuckers, hey? Isn't that, just think of the people, hey, they're selling, hey, and it keeps going up and up. Please come back down. They're hoping, they're praying, they're, you name it, they're kissing the floor, they're praying, going up and down, and yes, Mr. Buddha, you know, and it just keeps going up, and then after they get out up here with a huge loss, it starts coming down. Anyway, I want to talk about something today before I continue here. I just want to say I don't use stops. If you use a stop, I guarantee you 80 to 90% it'll come back and hit your stop. If you move your stop, okay, to break even, it's another thing. It's probably 100%. You know, it'll come back. It'll stop you out at break even. And guess what? All that money that you just didn't make, you did it all for nothing. When it could have gave you a whole bunch of profit, but you didn't take it. And don't worry, I used to do these mistakes. That's why I don't move my stop to break even. That's why I don't trade with stops. But I show you where to put the stops in a place where 80 to 90% of the time it doesn't come back to your stop because it's put in the right place. Okay? So these 3 trades that I'm going to show you here, I just want to show you where you put your stop. I'm going to put a line there. Okay? So we'll take this off now. There's no more need for that. Okay. And this line too. All right. So here's the divergence, right? Now, where would you put your stop? So say you entered right in here, and you put an arrow on. So you sell it right there, boom. So where would we put our stop so it doesn't come back to it? Well, at the swing high. When selling, you're always looking at the nearest, closest swing high. You know, some people like to put it like 5 points above there or something. You know, you could do that too if it makes you feel better. So like up here, okay, that's where you put the stop. It came back up here. Did it go to the stop? No, it came back up here. Did it go to your stop? No, it didn't. So your first trade, that's the first trade. And the second one is right here. Okay. Right there at the swing high, the closest swing high. And there is divergence. It's right down here. It goes down. Just like that. Okay? So the entry would be right there. And down it went. Okay? That is the place where you put your stop. As you can see, it just sold off, never came back to your stop. Okay? Now, down here, we had divergence also. Okay? Let me show you. So I can show you where you would put your stop. Right into here, like this. Yeah, something like that. And right here. So in this situation, where would you put your stop loss? So remember, when you're selling, you need to put it at the swing high. See, selling up here, right here, swing high. Okay? Now, when you're in a swing low situation with lower lows and lower lows, okay, where would you put the stop? Would we put it here? Underneath all these candles? No, because maybe this one would have got you. You need to put it at the nearest, closest swing low, right there. Okay? And like I told you, If you buy and then, you know, you move your stop to break even, well, it would have came back right here and got your stop. Okay? If you bought right here and, you know, goes up, comes down, would have got you. You know, say you're the kind of person that, oh, I got some profit now. I'm in right here, but I'm in profit now. Okay? So then you move your stop up to here. Then it goes up to here and you move your stop just underneath this candle right here. Well, guess what happens? It comes back and it stops you out. If you would have left the stop where you originally placed it, which is right down here, you could have avoided all that times you move your stop to break even, or you keep moving your stop up, trailing the price. Yes, I know people like to trail it. I don't do trailing either. I don't use stop losses. I don't move my stop for anything except, you know, like I don't trail it up. I don't keep moving it up because I know the price will come back and stop me out. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you use like a small little bracket order and you have your stop and you have your take profit and you put a take profit on it, say you're doing a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio and you move your stop, how was I going to say that? Anyway, 9 times out of 10, if you fucking fidget with the fucking stop, it's gonna come back, it's gonna stop you out, and you're gonna either make very little, where you could have made a lot, okay? Or you're gonna get stopped out at break even. And as you can see, it kept going up and up and up and all the way up here. So think if you got in here, instead of getting stopped out right here with nothing, you could have, and you just leave your stop here. Like after it came up into here, yeah, maybe you can move your stop, you know, right in here or something, right? Like if you know how to do it well, like when it moved way the hell up here, you might want to, you know, okay, I want to move my stop now too. You got to know when. Okay, here's break even. You got to know when to do it, you know, and when not to do it. It's kind of a tricky thing, but me, if I get a runner, I call that a runner. See, the runner run right the fuck up. If you just leave it here, down here, and then move it here a little bit, then once you see a lot of, you know, profitability, then you know, then you can move your stop up here and you've locked in some points right here. You know, and just keep it here, keep it underneath this big candle, and then the next one, as you can see, if you would have moved it up too close, it would have come back and stopped you out with less profit. But it's just best, you know, because you know how it keeps, it'll go up and then it'll consolidate, then it'll go up higher and it'll consolidate, you know. But once you have this many fucking pips in the bag, you know, or points, you'd want to move it up here maybe, if you want to do that. But I just want to make clear to all of you, my followers, that I don't use stops. When I see it's gone bad, I click close. I close the fucking trade. Okay? I don't use stops. I don't move stops. I don't trail stops. I don't move my stop to break even, because all those things, okay, for the most part, unless you get a runner like I'm showing you right here, they're going to give you less money. They're going to give you less profit. And so many traders trade like this, thinking that, oh, you know, and if you try buying, say you bought right here up to the big candle, and you have this little stop, it's going to come and get your stop before it goes up here and goes to your take profit. You see what I mean? Like, Just yesterday, I seen one guy, not mentioning his name, he's a really good guy too, just like the spider webs that I just showed you. You know, I seen him get, he put his fucking, he counter trend trades, this guy. Okay? That's another fucking no-no, in my opinion, but there's people who do it. There's people who make money. Hey, if that's what you want to do, go for it. But that would be the fucking day I'm gonna fucking be selling with this 5 above the fucking 7. I'm gonna be buying, baby. Buy, buy, buy with the trend. You know, just like right now, it's in buy mode. Buy the dip, buy the dip. You know what I mean? But anyway, I just shared with you a wealth of knowledge from my own doing it myself and losing money or you know, getting break even. What the fuck am I going to do with break even? You can't fucking come out and trade this market for break even. You got to make money. That's the name of the game. So anyway, okay. I shared all that with you about the stops. I don't use stops. I don't use take profits because it'll limit your profit. If you buy right here and you have say you have a 20 pip stop and you have a 20 pip point take profit, guess what? Look how much farther it went up, and you limited yourself to 20 points because you're using a take profit. These are all things, all practices, and there's a lot of people who will teach it. Oh, make sure you use a stop, blah, blah, blah. You know, and you use a stop and you get fucking stopped out. You know what I mean? So I don't use, like I said, I don't use bracket orders. I don't use stops. I don't move stops to break even. I don't trail my stop. All those things will cause you to lose moolah. So if you want to make money, fucking trade how I'm telling you without doing those things. You'll see if you put your stops in the correct place, if you want to use a stop, that is, you know, you got to put it in the right place or it's going to come get you. Okay, so anyway, I just want to show these trades here. We have a high and a higher high. Okay, you gotta love those higher highs. Oh, fuck yeah. So you would have sold here, boom, it went down, you would have made profit, okay? Then what did we have here? We had a hook down. Oh, I gotta put my little doodah on there. Hold on. Right there. Boom. There was the buy fake, right? And then you sell right here, and down it went. You take your profit. These are scalp trades, okay? Then a higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes. Look, see? This is gold, GC we're looking at, okay? So we had a sell from the main formation up here, which is divergence, and it was a winner. Then we had a hook down, excuse me. Oh, jeez. Then we had a hook down, and you sell it, it was a winner. Then we had a higher close, sell it, down it goes. We have a third winner. Then it changed trend. Why did it change trend? Because the 5 is now above the 7. Okay? So anyway, I hope that was very informative with you guys. This is how I trade. This is how I avoid, you know, getting break even or, you know, stops that it hits your stop. That's how you avoid it. You do all those things I told you. Don't be a fucking counter trend trader, you know, in a major trend that's going up. You don't be fucking selling it. No selling it. You buy the dips, not sell them. You fucking buy them. Why do you buy them? Because it's in an uptrend. Why do you buy it here? Because it's in an uptrend. Okay, that's enough, Jason. Jason, you're talking these people's ears off. Okay, there we go. So that was what I wanted to share with you guys. I shared it all with you today. The wheat pit, the spider webs, You just need, one or two moving averages, and they need to be close to the candles, to the price. That's why it works so well. Okay? You don't need them way the fuck, out here, or way the fuck down here. And like down here, you're in the deep blue sea. You know what I mean? Up here, wherever it's black on your chart, there's no candles. You have moving averages up there or down here. It's not going to help you guys. Come on. That's why I showed you the spider webs today, because I know. I've been through it all. I've tried everything too. Just like, it's okay if you want to try them, but, I even used to trade where the price would come down to the moving average. Oh, yeah, then you buy off there. That's the place where you buy. Yeah, I've done that. Guess what happens? It keeps going down and I fucking lose. So I don't believe in that shit either. And so many of you traders, that's why you got those moving averages in there, because some old school person or whatever said to do that, to trade off the moving averages, right? Well, when price comes down to a moving average, doesn't mean it's going to go up, or go down. Or when price comes up to a moving average, doesn't mean it's going to go down. Okay? I just wanted to get that across too. I'm naming all these faults that I see every day here today, and I'm not doing it to be an asshole. I'm doing it because I want you guys to make points at the end of the day. So take this video, save the video, watch it again, listen to what I'm saying about all the stuff about the stops and blah, 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 and try and implement that in your trading. And then you tell me if you stop moving I'd love to hear from you underneath the video, there's a description thing. I'd love to hear some people say, hey, I listened to your video and, and I didn't move my stop today. Or I didn't try and trail it, or I didn't try and do this or do that, and I made money today. You know what I mean? Okay, that's what I want to hear. I want to hear people. I want to hear success. Come on, give me some success here. That's what we need. That's what we need, man. Come on. Okay, what do I need to do now? I'm fucking lost. I better remember today to fucking render the video. Okay, here we go. Here's NASDAQ 5-minute. Well, that doesn't look too good. Well, actually, where is that? Oh, it's right there. We got a double bottom here. Just like that. So we would have got long right in here. Oh, I'm using the wrong thing. Okay, we'll put that there. All right. I'm just trying to figure out what I need to do here. I talked too much today. I forgot. Like I told you, I'm getting very forgetful. That's why I forgot to upload the video yesterday to YouTube. I promise not to do that today. I'll get it to you today. Today's Thursday, I think, eh? We still have one more day to trade? Yeah, we do. Oh, no. It's Wednesday today. We have 2 more days to trade. Oh, awesome. I just love to trade. I don't know why, but I do. But anyway, this is where you'd put the stop. Okay? Don't use the take profit because you'll limit yourself and you'll miss all this profit up here. Okay? Remember those things that I told you today. Okay? Please do. Remember what I told you. I tried all those things. I lost money every fucking time. Every time I tried to trail it, I gave back profit. Every time I moved the stop to break even, it came back to the break even. Every time I tried to buy or sell off of the moving average, it didn't work. All these things that I told you today, I'm telling you, I've done it all, and I've lost every time. Holy jeez Louise. I think I'll put in the description Important stop loss info. That way it'll get more clicks too. And then maybe you guys will watch it and save it and keep it so you can listen to it again. And yes, yes, yes. And here's the S&P 500, and we have lower lows. It's the same trade right here. Double bottom, lower lows. It's the same fucking trade. We don't need to repeat that. Okay, the Dow. Now that's a different thing. Look at all those times they came back, bought it, bought it, bought it, bought it, bought it some more. And they only brought it up to there. Well, how much would that be if they got in here? Oh, 100. They would have got 100. Okay, that's all right. Here's the lower lows. Okay. I've been up since 5 o'clock today. Really tired. I'm going for a nap right after this video. But I gotta upload it to YouTube first. I promise. Holy jeez, I need some water. Oh, I only got a drop left. Just enough to wet my whistle. All right. Okay, so there's the trade there. How much did it make? Our maximum make? Yeah, 130. Okay. Pound dollar. Ooh. Why is that like that again? There's divergence up here if you had the balls to hold it. I think those Brits knew it was going down today. They fucking knew, man. That's the thing with the pound. It tells you what to do. Like, if you really want to try an experiment, but don't blame me if it doesn't work. But next, non-farm payroll or whatever, you see it going down or whatever, it's probably going to go down big. They already know. They already know. There's Brits there. They're crooked as fuck. They already know what the fucking market's going to do before the big news event happens. That's all I can say about that. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or smoke anything here. I'm not a fucking financial advisor. Okay, and I never will be. La-di-da. Unless they make you be a financial advisor to fucking trade the market, but I can't see that happening. Oh, that looks ugly on the euro. Bye-bye, euro. Oh, look at this big wick, eh? Holy jeez. That's not good. Forget that. Oh, look at the euro. Look at that. It has a big baton. There's no divergence here because there's a big... It's all shitty today. Okay, let's see oil. What did oil do or not do? Okay. We have lower lows. Went up a big old 19 pips. Yeah, okay. Let's look at gold now. What did gold do? I don't think I showed you. Oh yeah, I did show you. I showed you the divergence, and I showed you the hook down, and I showed you the higher close, the 3 trades on gold. Okay, so this is the gold 5-minute. There's no trades in here, except for, well, there is. Hold on. Except for a couple of these. Higher close, or lower close, I mean. Buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy, up it goes. See? There's your 2 trades. Bitcoin. Oh, we're coming back up, springing back up like a coiled spring. Ethereum. I don't care about Ethereum. Ethereum, in my opinion, is a fucking scam. Oh, XRP came down and it's coming back up. It's at 240. Yeah, Elon there and whatever. They're so busy in the party. They're pardoning people. Pardon some guy last night. They pardoned him, and yeah. And they're so busy with the Doge. Hey, yeah, government efficiency, and they're catching oodles and oodles. It's unbelievable. It's like there's all these people, these fucking political politicians. It's like they all knew this was going on, and they were all in on it from nearly every fucking state in the United States. They're fucking stealing money from might as well say from the federal, what do they call it? Reserve, that fucking place. I just bet you there is warehouses in Switzerland in the fucking mountainside that have stacks of $100 bills on skids, probably 5 stories high, in a big, huge warehouse. And that's where all their money is, sitting there, just waiting. Like, it's just crazy. You have all these senators and whatever, and like even past presidents, like Obama. He wrote a book. I don't even think they sold 10 copies of that fucking book. They just made it look like they did, and that's how come he's got, $100 million plus in the fucking bank. Same with these other politicians, Pelosi, whoever, all of them. They're all fucking crooked. I can't believe it. And they're starting to find out now there's all this fucking same kind of bullshit going on here in Canada as well with the corrupt government. All governments fucking corrupt. They want to be mega rich, and they print up all this money that they shouldn't, it shouldn't be printed. And they're just living the life off of this stolen money that they stole from the Federal Reserve. I think they're in on it too. Somebody has to press the button to turn the fucking the printer on, right? That prints the money? Yeah. So, anyway, there's thousands of them. And they're going to find trillions of dollars in theft. Not just 1 trillion. Trillions. With a fucking capital T. Trillions. Anyway, that's it for today. Really good shit about, the stop losses I shared with you guys today. If you want to make money, hey, you heard what I said. I'm just telling you what I do. Okay? I don't lose money now. I click in. I click with my one hand and my finger. The nose, the pick your nose finger? Yeah. It's right on my button. See? Click. See? So I open the trade, boom, sell. So then I want to, close the trade over here, down here. I got my hand on the mouse and my finger on the button on the mouse, and I go, boom, close the trade. That's how I trade. I know, you might think that's a crazy way to trade, but that's how I trade. I made over 500 points today. It was an amazing day. Okay. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for going on. But I shared some really good information with you. It's up to you if you want to use it. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.